gamers, this is Shruti, your guide for today, and today I'll be showing you how to access the 100+ games on your Xbox. So after you have connected all the necessary cables on the console, it's time to turn on your Xbox. So after you have turned on the console, you have to use this USB cable to connect it to your controller. And then press on the Xbox button. Then you'll have to log in into this profile. So after logging in, you'll have to connect it to the network. Go to Settings, General, Network Settings, Manage Wireless Networks, Set up Wireless Network, and here you can connect to the preferred Wi-Fi. Now comes the exciting part. Whatever games are already installed, you can see it over here. And for the 100+ games, you can go here on the top, you can see Game Pass option available. Go there, then go to Show All, and then here you can see all your games. And among these, you can install any of it and then play.